Hi guys, welcome sa ating channel, Aziel's Awesome World. Ito yung first video natin dito sa channel, and in today's video, we're going to unbox yung paborito ng anak natin si Aziel na toy train. Actually, ang ini-expect niya malaking toy to kasi siya yung namili dito sa Shopee. Kaso papakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura. Ayan. Gustong-gusto niya talaga to noon pa, talagang gustong-gusto niyang bilhin. Sinabi na namin na talagang maliit lang siya pero hindi siya naniniwala. So, galing pa siya sa China, so matagal talaga bago dumating, umabot ng almost more than a week. Then ito na siya, dumating na siya. So, sana magustuhan niya. Pero bago yan, susurpresahin muna namin siya, syempre. Bumili na rin ako nitong lemon squeezer at papalabas ko ito yung toy niya. So, tingnan natin kung ano maging reaction niya. So, yun, tara. Punta natin si Aziel. Alright. So, what surprise are you expecting today?
A train.
A train? Do you want to play with it na? You want to see it? What's the color of the train?
It's
Black? Is that the one that you ordered in Shopee? Okay, alright. Here it is. Surprise! What's that?
a food for me.
Is that a train? Oh, because they don't have trains. They said so. That's the one that they have.
Daddy.
No. It's for food. You open it. Come on.
What's this?
What? What's that?
Me.
It's for you. Do you like it? Do you like it? Are you sure? You don't have no more train? You don't have any more train? You don't want na?
I can use it for my train.
Napaka-appreciative ko ng bata ito. But, I want you to close your eyes. No peeking! Eyes! No peeking! You look there. You look behind you. You look behind you! No! I said just look there! Look there! No?
Yeah.
You close your eyes. What toy do you want to play or to have today?
The train.
What do you think is behind my back? Train? What color?
It's the
Huh?
what this is for food.
Appreciate niya. Okay, you close your eyes. You count 1 to 3. You put it down muna. Put it down. You count. You're peeking. Close your eyes. You count again.
A train.
Oh, that's the one that you buy in Shopee.
Wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, what will you say to mommy and daddy?
Wait. What's in the bag?
What's in the box? It's a train, of course.
The way the way you buy.
I didn't buy that. You buy that in Shopee.
This is I open it.
Oh, you open it. Come on, you try it na. Come on.
I can open it. That's
No, mommy, can you open it? You just open the.
wow. It's a new train.
Oh, this is mommy. Oh.
Can I see? Wow. It's the
What's that?
Small.
Wow.
You're perfect, right?
Which one do you want? That McDonald's train or that one?
the duck and
Huh?
duck and train.
I don't know. I don't have any more train behind me. Do you like it?
And
Madami rin siya.
Put it on the bed.
Wow.
Put it on the bed.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Put it in your palm, anak.
You put it in your palm. Let's show it like this to the camera. Come on. Show it to the camera. Wow.
it does not want you.
You pick it up. You pick your train there. Don't play there. You play here. Sinugasan ko mabuti yan. Ang sabon.
Doesn't move.
Kaya medyo basa siya, oh. Mahirap na. Galing,
I have to remember to go to ano.
Wow, do you like that?
Yeah.
You show it to the camera, come on.
Wow.
You show it to the camera, come on. You show it to the camera. Si mami mahihain eh.
I see.
No, wait. You like it?
I don't see 3,000.
3,000? Wow.
Wait.
You have like that, the bigger one.
Wow, I like this.
What do you? What do you?
But you're-
Wow, look, oh. It's moving, wait. Toot, toot.
Doesn't move like
Do you like it?
and that's the word.
Do you like your new babies? That's really a baby train.
What?
Show it, come on, show it to them. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
What's my baby?
What will you say?
Thank you.
Right, be a good boy, okay? Are you a good boy? Why are you putting it back?
Because someone's going to see it.
Someone's gonna see it?
Yeah.
Say to the people, see you in my next unboxing.
Say please subscribe
Please subscribe with this
with our channel
on our channel
and leave a like.
with like. If we do this channel right here, please subscribe.
And see you on our next video. Say
Choose our
Say
next
bye-bye to the video, anak.
say bye-bye. Look here. Look here. Say bye-bye here.
Bye. To the next video.
Yay.
This red train. I will get this red train right here.
Alright, on our next video, we're gonna buy a new train, okay? Do you like a big train?
It can move like this. I'll
What?
show you.
Show me.
Like this.
Let me see. Let me try. Ah, yeah, like that. You pull it like this.
Doesn't move.
Oh, like that.
Wow, it's a new train engineer.
Yeah.
Subscribe to our
You like it?
channel with like this train right here.
Subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Say it.
It's like
You look here. You look on the camera.
they do it like this one.
You look on the camera.
You
Please
like-
subscribe. Say it
Subscribe with our channel.
and leave a like.
Like this one, you can do it like